What is that?
Guitar.
Oh. It's a real guitar too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to get Mark to show you how to play that.
I don't know how.
You can learn. Don't you want to play guitar like Mark does?
Sticker.
Got plenty of guitars here.
Oh goodness.
There's a lot of stickers too. Where do we not stick them?
On the wall or the window.
Okay. And your sister.
What
What is that?
What is that?
Oh, they're door
Bingo and a puzzle.
Yeah, door games.
Cool. What do you got, Barbie?
Oh boy, you're stocked up now. Hopefully no more with that witch cackle. Oh. Just go straight to the label. There you go, baby.
Oh, Ducky. Ducky in my mouth.
I don't know where to put all this.